vagus nerve. We don't have this open. And here would be the phrenic nerve that innervates the diaphragm. This is your thoracodorsal, which innervates the latissimus dorsi.
Okay, bring that out again. The thoracodorsal.
This is the thoracodorsal. It's in here. This one.
Okay.
Whoops. This guy here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's slippery.
Okay. Thoracodorsal.
Alright, so this is the long thoracic, which is the serratus anterior. And then you go in here. I have to go left. This is your lateral pectoral. And then this is your medial pectoral. Here's your M. This is your musculocutaneous. This is your median. This is your ulnar. And here's the M. There. This is your radial. This is your suprascapular. This is your axillary. And then here, deep to that, is these right here are the subs. Right here. These subs. And we'll go down here. This is your femoral. This is your saphenous. I'll flip them over. Oh, the obturator. Obturator's right here. This is obturator because it's going medially. And then I'll flip this guy. Oops. Oh, it's right here. This is your sciatic. This is your pudendal. Right here. You got that? And then the sciatic bifurcates, and this is your common fibular, which has the superficial and the deep. Deep is in here. That's deep right there. And then you have your tibial. Your tibial runs down, all the way down, which bifurcates again to your lateral plantar and medial plantar. And that's it.